You know what? I'm done with you. I'm done. Totally done with you. I can't continue with this. I'm done. I'm done, and please delete my number from your phone. What the heck? I can't believe this person. Oh, would I ever trust somebody again? This is ridiculous.
Woo! Can you say kubinywa? I should. Oh my God! Ebinywa nabyo banange. Yeah. One. All right. This is really great. This is great. This is great. Atani ankubira. Okay. Hello? Mom? Yeah, how are you? I know. I'm sorry if I didn't call you earlier today. I was kind of busy, and as work, I was busy and I couldn't call you. Yeah, I am sorry. Yeah, I get it. All right. Sorry, what? Who told you this? Oh, okay, Mom, 1 minute. I'm going to call you back. What the heck? Oh my God. Okay. Trevor, have you talked to my mom? I'm asking you, have you talked to my mom recently? Because I remember very well the person I told my secret is you, isn't it? And I remember telling you very clearly that don't tell anybody. Do you know what you've done to me? The last person I would like this information to get to was my mom. I can't believe you did this to me. Why? How could you? I trusted you not to tell anybody about this. How can you do this to me? No. There's no excuse to this. I thought we agreed on this. Why did you do this to me? This is not fair at all. This is not a laughing matter. I'm serious. Why did you do this? You swore to me and you told me that you wouldn't do anything like this to tell anybody. Why did you tell mom? What did you tell mom for? What were you expecting? After you told her, she called me. As I told you, that's how she has elaborated everything to me. Do you think this is... You know what? I'm done with you. I'm done. Totally done with you. I can't continue with this. I'm done. I'm done, and please delete my number from your phone. What the heck? I can't believe this person. Will I ever trust somebody again? This is ridiculous.